Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing well, and today's video is going to be a DIY video. So I'm going to create a face pack using Besan and Greek yogurt, and I'm going to use this for the very first time because I had seen a review of it and they are quite good, so I thought of trying it out. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay guys, so as per what I had read, it said that I need to mix 2 tablespoons of basin and I need to use a little bit of curd, Greek yogurt probably, and mix it and then apply it on my face. And when I do the application, I need to remain stiff. I don't have to move, or there shouldn't be any movement, so I can't talk when I'm applying it. So yes, without wasting much time, let's see what it actually turns up to be. So I have here with me my basin and my tablespoon, and I have here with me my yogurt. It is actually it has become ice right now because I forgot to remove it out from the refrigerator. So yes, so it is something like this, but I'm quickly going to mix the basin with this one, and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I'm going to apply this mixture on my face right now, so I just hope it turns out to be good. Okay guys, so this is how it looks right now. It's almost dried up, so it's time to rinse it off. Let's go. And yes, so this is how it looks right now, and I feel it's not that bad. It's a home remedy which everyone can use, and I feel it does give your skin a moisturized and a healthy glow as well. So I feel it's a approved hack which everyone can try once in a while, and that too with all the ingredients which are at home itself, that is basin and yogurt probably. And yes, so I feel it has worked quite well. So y'all can also try it, and if y'all did, then do let me know in the comment section below. So yes, this was all for today, and if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye. Much love from my side.